Welcome to my videos. This is the Blessed Man, and in this video I want to quickly show you how you can be able to access some of the restricted crypto websites. For instance, if you're opening your Binance, or you're opening your Bybit or whatever, and you are not able to open it because probably it has been blocked, I want to show you a simple tool that you can use. You know the danger of using VPN. Sometimes most of these exchanges actually have in their terms that if you are caught using a VPN, then you can run the risk of getting your account banned, and then it is better for you to be restricted from accessing your Binance or your exchange than your account actually being outrightly banned, because if your account is banned, it will be very difficult for you to be able to recover the money that is in there. Okay, so but if your Binance is still working or your Bybit is still working, there will be no need for this that I'm going to be teaching you. But if you know you are having a challenge, that is the only time you can try this that I am talking to you about now. This is just a remedy that I want to give to you in case you are not able to access those sites. So I want to start with Bybit. One of the things you can do in your Bybit is that instead of using the normal bybit.com, all right, you use a website. Use Bybit Global, bybitglobal.com. Alright, so with Bybit Global you can be able to access your Bybit account. Then you can be able to log into your account and do whatsoever you are doing. Okay, but if you have restrictions, maybe you are not able to access this, or you are trying to access your WhatsApp and you are not able to access it, then the next thing I'm going to be showing you will be very helpful to you. So I'm going to be dropping the link for you with this video, or you go to the description of this video to be able to get the link. There's a tool you are going to use here. This is not a normal VPN. It's not a normal it's not even a VPN, right? So you use this tool. Just click on that link that I will be sending to you, or you are going to get in the description of this video, and you'll find this particular tool called 1.1.1.1 plus WAP. All right, this will actually make your internet to be private. It's going to be installing a web add-on in form of a VPN, but this is not just a VPN. This is not just an ordinary VPN. This is a kind of a tool that will help to resolve your DNS and then make the site you are trying to access, to be safe for you to be able to log into that particular site. So remember, I said that you can use this if only you have difficulties in trying to log into your account or try to do your business. What we're doing and what we're trying to teach you is something that will make you continue your business, whether or whatever thing that you face as a challenge. You must look for a solution for you to be able to overcome this. So this tool is going to help you a lot. So what you need to do, there is we'll have for Windows, we'll have for Android, and for Linux and Mac and so on. So depending on the device you are using, actually I'm using an Android phone, so I'll just go ahead and install this. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and install this once it is installed. All you need to do is just to connect it the way you connect VPN, and then it will enable you to be able to access those sites without running the risk of actually being banned or thereabouts. So but remember, I said you can use this if only your Binance is not working, or your Bybit or your Qcoin is not actually working. So right now I am going to be opening this app here. So I'll go ahead and click next. Okay, just read about it and click on accept. So you will see install a VPN profile. Just go ahead and install it. Okay, just click on OK, and then here it is. So anytime you open up this, all you need to do is to click on this place. Okay, let me show you. Okay, all right, so right now let me show you what to do. Let me show you with my brush. So what you need to do right now is to click here. Anytime you want to use this, just click here. Okay, I think you can see this. Just click on it. Right, so just turn this thing on, and it's checking connection right now. It's checking connections, and you can see your internet is private right now, so you can just minimize it, and then you go to open whatever application you want to open, or you want to access any site that you want to access. Okay, so this one will enable you to be able to access your site and do your business the normal way that you are doing your business. This thing is actually free. What you need to do for you to, because there is an upgraded version, if you don't want to upgrade this version, what you need to do for you to be able to get 1 gig, you just refer a friend, or you pay 350 naira per month if you want the unlimited version, or you just refer a friend to get 1 gig of this particular app. I think you can go with this option. Just click on share, and then when you get this, you just share it with your friends, and once your friends register for free on this, you'll be given 1 gig. All right, so you can just click on it, and then this will be sent right away to your friend. Okay, so guys, this is it, and that is what I want to show you now. For those of us who are having difficulties in accessing their Binance, accessing their Bybit or whatsoever, because of whatever rules that are against the business you are doing. So with this, you will have nothing to fear accessing and doing your business. Thank you. Make sure you, if you are on my YouTube, make sure you watch other videos that are helpful to you. If you are watching this video ordinarily, just enjoy yourself. All right, I have nothing to sell to you. So this is the Blessed Man, and I will see you in my next video.